Hi, my name is Gil Klein, and this is Project 1 for CS50W in the year 2020. So, for Project 1, the task was to create our own sort of Wikipedia. And the first specification here was to create an entry page for each individual wiki entry. So, if you click on any of these links, they'll be taken to the individual markdown page, converted into HTML, and this is linked over to this. As you can tell by the markdown code over here, which is a link. Moving on. The index page should be updated so that all of the original items in the list are now links, which has been made true. Next specification states that the search should allow the user to type into the box to search for any existing entry, for example, Flutter. And if they type something that doesn't exist, for example, Fred, you get the appropriate error code. The next specification states that a new page can be created from right there in the menu. So let's hit that. And we can create a new page, say presentation. And we'll put a header here. CS50W Project 1 and some regular text. This is my Wikipedia website. I hit create page, and here it is. So, next spec, we should be able to edit a new page. So let's go right into that page we just created, presentation. And let's edit it. And let's just go ahead and create another subheading here and say Wiki Pages. And then save that. And there we go. We have a subheading. Moving on. The random page should cycle you through random entries. So this can be done ad infinitum. Forever, just cycling through all the existing pages in a truly random fashion, thanks to Python. And lastly, the Markdown 2 package here was installed via pip in order to convert the .md files into .html so that it could be rendered in the browser here. Thank you very much for looking over my project.